Tackling muck, algae, and foul odors is possible with Moleaer's nanobubble technology, a proven, cost-effective tool to restore water quality and clarity sustainably without the use of chemicals. Moleaer's Kingfisher Nanobubble generator combats water quality problems at their source through natural oxidation and efficient oxygenation. Unlike traditional aeration systems that transfer very little dissolved oxygen, Moleaer's patented nanobubble technology transfers oxygen with over 85% efficiency, increasing dissolved oxygen levels throughout the entire water column. Moleaer Kingfisher also releases high concentrations of nanobubbles with unique properties that contribute to several lake health improvements. Nanobubbles target the root cause of common lake problems to help prevent and reduce algae blooms and midge flies. By balancing the bacterial community, nanobubbles promote muck digestion, reduce foul odors, and help with nutrient sequestration without the use of expensive and potentially harmful chemicals. Moleaer nanobubbles have been validated by top universities and research institutions with over 2,200 installations around the world. Take a proactive approach to lake management to get clearer, healthier water that lasts. The Kingfisher Nanobubble generator is durable and simple to maintain, with only 3 moving parts, and is easily installed into any water body. Learn more today at Moleaer.com.